What's up YouTube? I've got a special pair of sneakers here in celebration of the NBA Finals. This is a Steph Curry sneaker. If you don't know, it's Raptors versus Golden State. This year, Curry's gonna lose. If you don't already know, I'm from Toronto, so now you know that Curry's gonna lose. I do think the series is gonna go to Game 7 though. This is the Thank You Oakland colorway of the Steph Curry Under Armour 6, UA Curry 6, excuse me. Let's zoom in there. I got this shoe at Foot Locker for 160 Canadian dollars plus tax. The box is pretty nice. It's like this dark color. It's got all these lines on it running through. It's got some gold trim on it. Gold Steph Curry logo. Gold Under Armour logo. I'm pretty excited about the NBA Finals. That's why I had to pick these up. I am a Raptors fan. I'm not cheering for Curry, even though he's probably one of my favorite players in the NBA. Let's pull out the Thank You Oakland colorway real quick for you guys. I think this is a pretty nice colorway of the Curry 6. Curry 6 just came out this month, I'm pretty sure. Pretty nice sneaker. I hope he wears this colorway during the NBA Finals, because that would mean that the sneaker would be way more popular. This is a nice little style here. It looks a lot like carbon fiber. I don't believe it to be carbon fiber, but it's pretty cool. Grip pattern's pretty nice. I'm gonna throw these on later on in the video, so you can check them out on foot if you want to fast forward. We've got a nice little pull tag on the tongue here. Makes it easier for you to put them on. I like these yellow trimmings. They're pretty nice. Let's just throw these in the back here. Pull out the second shoe. Ooh. I should point out, it says right here, with Steph Curry's signature, I can do all things. That's a pretty cool, it's pretty cool little addition to the shoe. As I said earlier, this is the Thank You Oakland colorway. Apparently Curry's been in the city for like 10 years. So I'm gonna throw these on. Let me know what you think. Is he actually gonna wear these? I don't even know. Yellow lace tips. It says, these are pretty nice lace tips, I'll be honest. Let's zoom in here. Yellow lace tips. One says town on it. The other says the. They say the town, in case you were wondering. Town. Pretty nice laces. Gonna throw these on, as always. Like, comment, and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you're interested in sneaker related content. I will tell you, I think there'll be a link in the description. It's an affiliate marketing link for you to check these out on StockX. You might be able to get a deal. StockX is great if you're too lazy to go hop into the store and buy a sneaker. Oh wow, these fit pretty good. These fit pretty well, indeed. I do like the snug fit around the ankle here. This little yellow lacing tightening system is kind of interesting too. I think it goes throughout the sneaker. If you check out all these yellow lines here. I think maybe if you pull on this, you do get some sort of tightening around the sneaker. I'm gonna throw the second one on here. You let me know what you think of these in the comment section below. Also, let me know what you think is gonna happen during the NBA Finals. Let's check out the insole real quick before we move on. It says 10 years in the town, Steph Curry. Huge fan of Steph, I gotta say, but he's gonna lose this year. Unfortunately. I can't wait for Game 7 when everyone in the comment section is like, damn, we're at Game 7. This dude predicted the future. These are really nice. If you like these pants, the way they stack is pretty cool. There'll be a link to purchase them on Amazon. It's also an affiliate marketing link. Not the exact pants, but Scotch and soda pants that stack really well. That link will also support the channel. It's an affiliate marketing link. All in all, it's a pretty comfortable sneaker. On foot, they look pretty good. I'd strongly suggest considering copping a pair, checking it out. Checking out in store if you're not going to cop a pair. But check out the links in the description. Check them out on StockX. Check out the pants on Amazon, Scotch and soda. They stack really well, as you can see. That's a popular feature in the sneaker community. Shouts out to Oakland. Shouts out to Steph Curry. He's gonna lose this year. Let's check out the inside of the right shoe. I think it's the same as the left shoe. Yeah, I think it's the exact same thing. 10 years in the town. Steph Curry. If you're buying these, let me know why. I wanted to get those New Balance shoes that Kawhi Leonard made. Couldn't pick them up for you. That would have been a really nice video. If anyone has them, let me know in the comment section below if you're down for me to make a YouTube video on them. We could link up. That's the sneaker. Thanks for watching the video. I appreciate the support. Goodbye.